Baby's healthy growth is not only about physical, but also about recognition. Multifunctional baby jumping chair helps baby to grow up happily in the process of learning. Multifunctional baby jumping chair collocates a humanized design elastic jumping board, which allows mommy to adjust to perfect height. Expedite baby's foot development while jumping and help him to stand up and walk. The 360-degree rotatable seat satisfies baby's movement needs. The keyboard can play beautiful music with sound effect mode. Press to hear corresponding animal sounds. With music mode, press to hear sweet music. The little turtle contents baby's curiosity and improves cognition. The rolling colorful beads. The seesaw which you press to make DaDa sound. The button in wizardly shape. Twistable worm all enhance baby's flexibility of hands and eyes. Overall develop baby's intelligence. The keyboard can be disassembled to play separately, or hangs on baby's crib to play music for baby sleeping. Multifunctional baby jumping chair is a perfect friend for baby's growth.